All right, Peter,
Yes,
you have some awesome news.
I
What
do.
is this? What is it? Let's hear it.
I got the job.
You got the job.
Got it.
Holy shit. I was thinking about this and I was trying not to message you because I wanted to basically bombard your entire LinkedIn. I'm like, did you get
Oh
it?
yeah.
Did you get it? Did you get it? Did you get it? I am so hyped for you. This is like, I already told you this, but if I was gonna work anywhere again, it would be
hmm
at that company. Only because
Yeah.
the culture is on point. Is it completely remote?
Yeah, for the most part. I mean, they have a meeting space, but like his team is basically all over the place. Like he literally told me I could be in Hawaii or Japan or whatever as long as I get my work done, and I was like, hell yeah.
That's
That's
so
cool.
awesome. Was it a good salary? Did he offer you a good?
He was, yeah, first he's like, yeah, I'd like, he started off like with the craziest, weirdest thing. It was like, yeah, so we had like over 50 applications and resumes. We really want someone to be, someone just to take over and just really start strong and blah, blah, blah. And I was just like, ah, fuck. He's gonna say that I didn't get it, or he's gonna say we need some time to think about it, or something like that. I was like, here it comes, and he's just like, yeah. With that being said, we'd like to make you an offer, and I was like, cool.
Holy shit, that's
Yeah,
amazing. Jim's
he
such a
was
good guy too. Like, I think
man.
you really blew him away with the video. The overall presentation, but the video was the icing on the top.
Yeah,
Like,
he literally said that he shared it with his wife last night, and she loved it.
holy shit.
It was
I'm
like,
gonna reach out to Jim too.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so the opening offer was he's like, yeah, we know you're making this much, but we want to give you like 57. I was like, it's like, what if I countered? And he's like, yeah, sure. And I was like, 65. And he's like, okay, well, what do I get? I was like, well, you get me, you get a strategy guy, you get a content guy, you get social media guy. And he's like,
Whoa, you
okay.
countered? Look at you. Always negotiate. Oh my God. I think I could cry. I'm so proud of you. That's amazing.
Yeah, you taught me good.
And what did he say?
He was like, "Yep, okay." Like, he's like, "Yeah, for sure. If you can take on something from the start, like from the beginning, someone that can take ownership and just not do more than just ads, then yeah." But he's like, "Yeah, I'm happy to give you 65. I just need to write out the contract and everything." I was like, "Cool."
Holy shit. He started you off at 65. Remote.
Got it.
Cool fucking
Remote,
team.
cool team. Yep,
That is such a great agency. Jim,
it's cool.
he like speaks at all the coolest conferences too.
Yeah, I
So
saw.
you can ask him to, connect you with the people.
Do you see this
It's
guy in the
just a
corner?
great team. I know. He's so happy too. He's so fucking happy. And I think they have pretty good perks and benefits.
Oh yeah, I'm
Yeah.
excited. I'm excited. It's cool.
Would you say that this is your dream job?
Maybe I don't know. Because like
Close.
it could evolve
Sure.
into so many different things because it's like he said there's like so many opportunities to grow into different roles, so I'm sure it will be my dream job because like right now I'm still processing everything. It's definitely what I worked
Did you tell
for
your
the past three
girlfriend?
months.
Did you tell
Yeah,
your girlfriend?
she was still asleep, but I was like, hey, guess what? And she was like, oh my god, I like didn't say it
Got the
yet.
job. Oh my
Hell yeah,
goodness.
it's
I'm so
exciting.
hyped.
I was like,
I'm
damn,
expecting
all
the most fire testimonial ever.
oh
This
yeah,
is so fucking
I gotta
dope,
make you a
dude.
cool video.
It's gonna be fire. This is so dope. I'm so fucking excited. I know you're gonna crush it. It's gonna be a lot of work.
Oh yeah,
Usually when they say that this is a job that you can make whatever you want out of it, it's a lot of work and it's gonna make something amazing out of you because you can start with you have all the resources available. You have such a great team that's gonna support you. I'm likely gonna be involved with little things and
hmm
because I'm pretty sure I don't know I'm somehow always involved with that team. So
for sure.
I think it's oh my god, so many good.
It was a
You can
crazy
end
thing
up
to wake
being
up to.
director in, I'd say, a year or two, just because of how fast they're growing and just all the
Damn.
connections that they make.
Yeah,
I
they're still pretty new, right? Like
not
not too old.
well. Jim's been around for a minute. I think the
hmm
agency's like what 5 years old.
Okay.
5 to 7 years old. Not
Yeah,
that young.
their team is really small, so I definitely could grow into like a pretty top
Thing is, like,
position.
they're really fucking smart. They're
Yeah,
one of the best agencies I've ever worked with.
they're
Really.
gonna make me smart.
Because I white labeled with, well, I didn't white label. I had a client that hired them, and I hired them through the client.
Hmm.
And unfortunately, the client fired them, but we stayed in touch. Yeah, we stayed in touch. We stayed in touch, but
Yeah, that's cool.
because they were one of the most the coolest people. I loved their dynamic. I loved how they charged what they were worth. They charged a
Hmm.
really decent amount for just CRO, and the best thing that he could have done is like start offering paid media. So
Hmm.
I'm so proud of you. I'm
Thank you.
so hyped. This is the
Man,
best news ever. Can you share this with the Slack channel? I want like
yeah,
this is literally this is amazing because like a
it's
lot of people
cool.
they want to go straight into freelance and that's cool and all, but you know what's also great? Being an entrepreneur, like scaling up within the agency. And
Hmm.
Jim offered that. Like literally he told me, I don't know if I could, doesn't matter. He told me how, because he kind of recruited me in a way, and I was just like, I'm not really looking for a job, things like that. He's like, well, what's really awesome is that we can hire you as a consultant, and what we do offer is like having you having us really support you as an entrepreneur, like very much entrepreneurship. So
Hmm.
off, recommending you for talks and things like that, and all that I would be doing is just client facing while someone on the back end does the work, whatever.
Hmm.
And so I know that he's open to something like that.
Oh yeah, for sure. He talked to me about that in the very first interview we had. He's like, yeah, if there's like
The
something you're
perfect
working
job for
on the
you, man.
side, he's like, yeah, bring it to us. We might be able to use it. We can help you out. I was like, oh, okay.
This is he's super supportive. He wants to see people grow.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah. So, oh man, you're gonna crush it. I feel like this is like the perfect role for you. I'm so glad we made that connection. I'm so glad all of the work that we've done is
Yeah,
worth
like
it. Like
I
he
literally
loved
got
your
flashbacks to like I'm just like remembering like the
he
three
set you
months of
up.
just sitting up till like 2, 3, 4 a.m. just studying and just be like
It's
sometimes
worth
just
it. It was really worth it. And it was not, it was all you. Like it was all you because you're not, I mean, I lay this out for a lot of different people and you went at you had the right attitude.
hell yeah.
You crushed it and you got everything you wanted plus more. So
I had the right mindset.
meow. All right, I
It's
know
all
you
the
have to
anime,
work.
man. It's all the anime.
Yeah, I feel you. I feel like all of this is like an anime.
It
Yatta!
is. I was like, I did it, yeah. I went from the guy I was like, oh, I don't know what I'm doing to like, yeah.
You work through it and it's very normal. That's super normal. All right, I'm gonna let you go back to work. I'm
Cool.
gonna stop recording right now, so say bye.
Bye, everybody.